I can choose to stay focused on the unfavorable side of what has happened to me, or I can choose to stay focused on the favorable side of what has happened to me. And now I'm saying this to say all of us have things that have happened to us, right? I said credit score 398, squatting in bank owned property. I have had to look my children in the face when they have asked me, Dad, what is there to eat? And tell them nothing. Not because I didn't have something in there, just wasn't something we didn't want, but there was nothing there. So that's not fun. And my point is, I can stay focused on the parts that are unfavorable, develop more doubt, and go down in some downward spiral, which I'm going to explain here in just a second, or not. So that means you have the same choice. Congrats. We all have the same choice, the same opportunity, if you will.